Hello everyone. In this session, I am going to explain you how to write a Java program for solving or to calculate simple interest. Okay. So all of you just look at the questions. What the question is? Just you look at here. The create a program that will calculate the simple interest on rupees 30,000 at annual interest rate 12.5 for the 5 years. So what you have to calculate? The simple interest. What is the principal amount? 30,000. What is the interest rate? 12.5% for the 5 years. Okay. So what's the step we have to write? Just to look at here how to write the steps. First, what you should do, first define the class. Second, give the curly braces. Okay. Third, define the main method. Okay. Then define, give the curly braces. Okay. Then define and initializing the variable. Then 6, calculate. Then display, calculate simple interest. Then display result, close the curly braces. Then 9, again close the curly braces. This is the steps you have to do. Okay. Now next I will write it in the what that will be on the screen, how to write the program by in the Java. So in the Java, already I have made the project, so I just add my program here, Java program. So first time you create a project by your name, and after that whatever program you will write, that project will be open always for you, and in that project you will start writing your program. You just look at here, my new class that I am giving the name as a simple interest. Okay. Now I will get such type of box here. I right click here. I open the editor. When I got the open editor, then a sample program will be come for me. So I just press Ctrl A and delete. Then I define the document session message, calculating simple interest. Okay. Then public, small lowercase, all the command and instructions you should write in the lowercase, don't use the uppercase. Wherever you need to write the any letter in the uppercase, I will inform you. So public, it is a keyword, it should be in the lowercase. Public class, then si am simple, I am writing. Okay. Then I have to give the curly braces. Then I am writing public static void main, public static void main. I already told you that is the syntax you have to remember. This is the beginning point. String args, here the S is the capital. Okay, args, just you have to remember this line, nothing else. Later you have to understand why we have to write this. This is the beginning point. Compiler will be start the program execution from here. Then the variable declaration. I already explained what is the variable or what is the input for the program. Here to find out the simple interest, what are the variable? I already mentioned in the question, that is the principal amount. Next the rate of interest. Third is the year. How much year for whom you are depositing your money or for calculating the simple interest. Okay, so my three variable here, I have a variable principal amount, int I am defined principal, it will be how much, initializing with the value 30,000. One thing you remember here, you cannot write any alphabet here. When you are writing any value, you cannot include any alphabet. Just like your RS, that is wrong. If I am writing RS, then it is wrong. This is the principal amount. So here I can give the message, that is the single line message. It is the principal amount. It is the principal amount. Okay, next I have to give the semicolon. By ending each and every line, we have to put a semicolon. Okay, now you can ask me, we are not writing after args here, we are not giving any simple interest, any semicolon, because it is not the ending of the statement. Where we have to put the semicolon? Where the line is ended. Okay, here it is not ended, it is continuation. The program is going on, class is also not ended here, so we are not able to give here semicolon. Simple, after simple you should not mention any semicolon because it is the continuation. Now after string args also we are not giving semicolon, it is the continuation, but here this line is ended, so we have to put the semicolon. Okay, next again our will be rate of interest. So it is a decimal point, so we have to define it as a what? Double, 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 that rate of interest, that is 12.5. I am directly take the constant value because it is given in the question, ended with a semicolon, message given rate of interest. Okay, now third is my year, so I have to define as the int year. Okay, int year, that is equal to 5. Constant value again, it is the year, time period. This is the time period. Okay, mention, then I have to calculate the, it is due to double data is there, so I have to store my result in the double SI I have to define, and it will be calculated. It is the dynamic initialization. All these are the static initialization. int principal, double rate, int year, that is the static initialization, but when I am initializing double SI, that is the dynamic. At the calculation, that is what is the formula, PRT by 100. So P, it is our principal. Variable value you should not write, you have to write the name of the variable. Principal into rate into year and divided by 100, semicolon. Okay, now I have to display the message. How to display the message? System dot out dot println. Okay, the simple interest is plus SI. Okay, just this one, and then I have to close the main function, then I have to close the class. Okay, now I have to compile. When I am compiling, it will show me no syntax error. Then I have to close. Now before going to it, I have just shown system.out.println. I want to explain you. Here you see the message I am displaying here within quotes, and plus I given, and I have mentioned the variable. SI is the variable where the result is calculated and stored. Use display it like this. The message within double quotes, then plus, then the variable. If you don't want to show any message, just directly SI also you can mention. Then I close it. I just right click and I have to void main string. Now okay. Now you just look at the output. The simple interest is this calculated value displayed on the screen. Okay, this is the total about the how to find out the simple interest, okay, by using the Java. So I think all of you understood. First, you have to understand the question. What is the input is given? What calculation it is asking you? And what's the result it will ask you to display on the screen? You find out first. Then you start writing the program. First, you have to mention the define the class. Then you have to give the curly braces. Then you have to define the main method. Then you define the variable, initialize with the value if it is given. So as a constant value. Okay. Then do the calculation and then display the result. Then close the main method by curly braces, then close the class. That much. Okay, thank you.